See you later. If you have -2, -1, or negative or +7 in any form whatsoever, come up and show it to me and tell me how many you have right. Warm-up quiz. 2 minutes begins now. All right, the answers are -1, -1, -7, and 2. Homework check. If you don't have all the work shown, don't bring them up here. 15 out of 23 for homework, and that is 65%. If you have credit for your homework, pick a number from 1 to 20. The winning numbers are 2, 6, 14, 16, and 18. Block letter only. The answer should be D, 30. The homework answers. You have 6 problems altogether, and we will give 1 point for each number of the final answer. So 2 points per problem. On number 1, it is -10, -5. 2 is -3, 8. 3 is -9, 9. 4 is technically the same line, but I'll take any answer that you have. Whenever you multiply this by -2 and then this one by -1, you get the exact same equation. So when you subtract, everything goes to 0. That means this. If I graphed this line and it looked like this, and then I went to graph the other line, it would run right over top of it. They're the same line. So you could put in this part right here, you could put in anything and come back with the right answer. However, it's not the right answer. Anything won't be the right answer on this. I guess that's the right way to say it. Not everything is the right answer for X and Y for the equation, because it's got to fall on the line that they create. And we haven't done that yet. So I'll take whatever you have for 4. 5, 8, and 7. 6 is -2 and 9. Here's a quick example. Your system of equations that you're going to have to solve here is 7x plus 3y equals -69, and 6x minus 6y equals 18. What number goes there? +6 should go there. What number goes there? Yeah. +7. That is right. So you're multiplying by 6 and 7. What is the first equation going to be after you multiply through by 6? 42x plus 18y equals what? That's right. 42x plus 18y equals -414. So now you have to find the second equation by multiplying by 7. What's the second equation going to be now, Carpenter?
42x plus 126y.
Close.
No. I was looking at the 18y.
Baldridge.
42x minus 42y equals 126.
He's right. 42x minus 42y equals 126. You have to subtract those. And when you do, you're left with a y equation, which means a number y equals a number. What is left over after we subtract these two equations? 60y 60y equals a negative 540 is right. You have to divide negative 540 by 60 to come up with the answer for y, which is what? Negative 9 is the answer for y. If I plug negative 9 into y in the second equation, what answer am I going to get back for x? He says negative 6. So I'm plugging in negative 9 here. And I get back a positive 54 from this multiplication. Plus 54. Move it to the right side, make it minus 54. Simplify the right side to get negative 36. And divide negative 36 by 6 to get negative 6. The final answer would be negative 6, negative 9. Your system of equations for your practice problem is negative 3x plus 2y equals 22 and 5x plus 5y equals 30. You must bring only what I ask you to bring up here. Don't bring anything else in a different form. Don't have a bunch of extra stuff with it. You must only bring what I ask you to bring up here. Walk by and show me what number should be in that spot. I'll take the first 7 people to get the answer to this. For this problem, you should have an answer of negative 3. To the first 6 people, negative 3 is the answer. So we should have had a 3 for this one. We'll do the next one out loud. What number goes there? Negative 5, yes. To the first 6. Alright, the answer is negative. Here's one more. The answer is 6. Alright, so we have negative 5 and 3. So I need that first equation after you multiply it by negative 5. Answer should be 12. If and only if you have 15x minus 10y equals a negative 110, then come on up. I need the second equation. After you multiply by 3. Answer to this one should be 7. Answer should be negative 7. If and only if you have 15x plus 15y, again, if you have 15x plus 15y equals 90, then come up here. Subtract the two equations. I need a number. Y equals a number. Don't bring me the solution for y. If and only if you have negative 25y equals negative 200, then come up here. I need the solution for y. You should have 8. Plug in the value for y into the second equation and come back with an answer for x.
I didn't
write my name on my side. It's 8. I didn't say it was dumb, but that's in my head right now. I feel like doing math.
If you have -2 for x, then come on up.
Trade-off.